Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select these cloud layers. Select this cloud 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and right click, Precoms, add name clouds. Click OK. And close window. In this time, let's move to up and select these all of them layers without background. And click this icon for turn on 3D layers. If you not see this part, you can click toggle switch modes. Let's click here for turn on 3D layers. Also select clouds, turn on 3D compensation, and select background. Let's go to solo. Okay, we can lock background layer and select these all layers and compensations. Let's go to active camera, choose view top. And in this time I need two viewer. Let's right click new and viewer. So first viewer top and second viewer active camera. So let's create camera tool, right click new and camera. We can choose presets here. I will use 50mm and click OK. For camera control, let's select camera, right click camera and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl and double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool, and right now select the sun layer. Let's go to back and press P. Let's move to back and select this object 4. Let's see which layer this. Okay, press P and move to back. Select object 3. Let's see. Okay, press P and move to back like this. Select this cactus 1 and press P. Let's move to back. And cactus 2, let's press P. Also move to back. And select this layer cloud. I was forget to add this on compensations. It's not a problem. Let's press P and move to back like this. Okay, and object 2, press P and move to back like this. And object 1, I will keep here. Let's press S, change 101 scale. So select these clouds, press P and move to back here. Okay, so in this time let's close window to top and also this. So in this time, select this object 2, press S and change scale and move to down. And select these clouds, press S and change scale, move to left. And cloud 6, press S, change scale and move to up like this. And cactus 2, press S, change scale. And cactus 1, press S, change scale. Okay, and object 3, press S, change scale. Object 4, press S, change scale like this. So in this time, select this cactus 1 and press P. Let's move to front. Okay, that's good. And press S, change scale. And move up a little bit like this. And also select this object 4, move to down, and object 3. Move to down like this and press S, change scale. Let's put it down like this. Okay. So select this object 4, again let's change scale for better parallax. Okay, not bad. And select this sun and press S, change scale and move it up like this. Let's press P and create comparison keyframe, go to 8 seconds and move it up. Go to back And let's move it down like this. Let's preview animation. Okay, not bad. And for hide this part, let's select this object 4. Let's Control D and choose object 4, change name mask. And select sun. Let's go to track matte. Let's track to mask layer and enable mask layer and select this sun. Let's go to click here for invert the matte. Okay, here we go. And go to FX Presets, search effect glow and use for sun layer. And change glow radius. Okay, not bad. And let's go to FX Presets, search effect fill. Use fill for sun. And change color to yellow like this. And moved up to glow layer. And glow settings change like this. Okay. Open composition clouds. And select these clouds. Let's press P and create new passing keyframe. And move to right. And select this cloud 1. Let's move right. And cloud 2. Move to left and 3. Move to left. And cloud 4. Move to right. And cloud 5. Move to left. And up. Let's see. Okay, back to composition. Let's see full animation here. And change view active camera. Okay, that's good. And also select this layer cloud 6 and go to here. We can delete this cloud. And in this time, select this camera orbit null, press P and create new passing keyframe. Go to 8 seconds and make parallax like this. Okay, nice. We can choose this layer object 2. Let's see. Okay, and press S, change scale and move it down. Okay, select this orbit and hold shift, press R, open rotation, create X, Y rotations, go to last second and change rotation a little bit to left for looks 3D, and X rotation like this. Okay, very nice. I like it. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments and have a good days. Good luck.